Good morning, this is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Monday, August 19th. First thing we'll look at this morning is the water vapor satellite imagery loop, and our flow has transitioned to more of a southwest flow. And as you can see, we have extremely dry air, as shown by this very dark color, over California into southwest Idaho, and this dry air will be pushing northeast through the day, and we're going to be in that dry air for quite a long period. Looking at the radar loop, no precipitation anywhere in the western United States this morning. Very little impacts today. I guess the main impacts are going to be for fire weather purposes. So here we have haines indexes of 6 pretty much across all of southeast Idaho this afternoon. Again, Tuesday afternoon and also Wednesday afternoon. So any fires that do exist could experience some erratic behavior with very hot conditions, extremely dry conditions, and these widespread haines indexes of 6. So that's pretty much what we have for impacts, mostly on the fire weather side with the high haines indices. Looking at the frontal weather depiction, completely dry over Idaho today, high pressure over Yellowstone, and that high pressure sits there for the next couple days with very dry conditions across all of Idaho. A cold front will approach Wednesday, start to push onshore. Most of the precipitation will stay northwest in the Panhandle and into Washington State. That will be maybe the next impact, a potential cold frontal passage Thursday. We could see a wind increase after 3 days of pretty light winds for the most part, Monday through Wednesday. The hot temperatures are going to be also an impact. High temperatures in the Snake River Plain into the 90s today, and generally 80s in the mountains, and that trend will continue Tuesday, low to mid 90s across the lower elevations in the Snake River Plain, mid 70s to upper 80s, higher elevations as we get into Wednesday. Again, mainly mid 90s in the lower Snake Plain, Pocatello through Twin Falls, low to mid 90s also in the upper Snake Plain, and 80s again in the mountains. So very hot conditions for mid to late August. With the front pushing through Thursday, we may see a bit of a cool down, a few degrees as we get into Thursday and Friday. Closer to normal temperatures, but still a bit above. And looking at the extreme long-term 8 to 14-day outlook, a quick look, showing a much better chance of above normal temperatures continuing as we get into the last week of August, into the first day of September, and the continued better chances of below normal precipitation as well. So it looks like this hot and dry pattern is going to continue for several more days, and if the extended forecast is accurate, for the next 2 weeks. That will conclude today's briefing. If you have any questions, contact us at the number listed here 24 hours a day, or go to our website for more detailed information listed below. Thank you, and everyone have a nice day.